to make it different. It cannot be the same thing.
What's choice of reality? Is there a person named choice of reality?
That is what I don't want to do. I don't want it to be a person, but I want it to be something that you make be an agenda where you can follow for better you. Because you
Aren't you
keep
know
on.
say you're a madman in a clean
Then that
clothes?
is why we're there together. You create then.
Listen to the choice of what in reality. So who is gonna speak for me to
You
listen?
say
Who
something
who
very,
on
very
that
interesting.
earth? Me for listen more than myself, Archie.
First thing first, if me never mad moon there, so. So obviously you are so correct when you say me a
Thank
madman.
you.
In
I've
no,
never crazy
no,
out
but
over
more
here with
correct
you.
is not clean clothes, Queenie. It's madman in a brand clothes. Let me correct.
Yeah, who me for listen to our team? I know why you tell me.
All right, me not
Who me for listen to more than
the
myself?
fans them.
Yeah, the fun that if I the Lord is my shepherd. If you ever make a root to you, them fans they don't even if them forgot for carry 2 boxes of water for them.
Ah! You're so shady with me. Hey people, you're so shady with me. Before she
Me to
answer, we
listen
should
to
go pray.
fans. I might push me say no, make me turn artist. Me never listen to no blood clad fans. When me skin out and me never know about no fans and no artists. Me just be myself and listen to me. Why you want me for listen? Me for listen to 312,000 people. Oh, big up my mother, you know. Come love my mother knew me from the skin to the two of me, you know. Listen to Archie, you know, Archie, you don't love me. Archie, you don't love me, you know. Hey, Archie,
Eh?
you don't love me.
Me love you, man. Me love your Queenie,
So
but you
why
don't
you
love me.
come
If you
from
listen.
2, 3 weeks ago and tell me something for listen to people, Archie? I would be a queen. Shiza P. Would be a queen, Archie. Archie, me can't listen to people, baby. And the decision me make me have to cope with it. So I see if me make a decision and RT tell me, when RT tell me to blood clot, me up on the internet all day I cuss because RT tell me. RT there airport, my love. RT I come film queen. But clot. RT easy. RT really I come. Hello. Morning. You want to what? Oh no, them done. Merry Christmas, Boxing Day. RT. Me can't do that though, RT. I don't make my turn, yes, girl. Remember me, the hot girl, top girl, never fat girl, you know, RT. Don't listen to no one. No, I can't. I wish I was in the airport. Bumbo Clan, RT. RT, hot boy still in the same Louis Vuitton. RT, listen. That part them not play. My mother one daughter, you know. I mean, my mother first pitney, you know. Your first child is either rather smart or rather stupid. Well, I am a smart ass bitch. I'm from a little bit my unruly. So me attend RT. My mother sister up at St. Thomas. R.I.P. Auntie Joa, Auntie Jocelyn. When I'm a wash my ear, I have lice. I tell
You
them
thought
to let
that's
me
30
make the
already, you know.
lice kill me.
Stop,
Ask my
man. You
mother.
stubborn.
From me at 10. And then I wash me, them lock me between them leg and I wash out my ear. I'm a fight out backside and tell them at the light stain on my ears. Low me left me, make it kill me. I am not gonna listen to anyone, RT.
But Queenie, you have to understand that. All right, so question: do you believe that people out there will really love you? That's the question. Yes or no? Do you believe people out there really love you?
May I believe me know that.
Okay, so you don't believe that people out there who love you will try to encourage you for the best of you.
They need to encourage themselves. Me never ask them for them
All right,
encouragement. Them
so
too
clearly
enough.
me. Okay,
Me's
clearly me.
a
You don't do
leader
that.
in the RT. Me not take people for just feel like so them can just jump into me so in the RT. So me's a hard nut for cracking the RT. Me not make people take with my spirit and take for them spirit for that. Me I want top and girl in the RT.
We clearly see that, my
But
darling. But
I RT me manage myself, you know, me funds myself in the RT. So it's me rely on
that's the
myself.
same thing I do. I
And
manage
that's why I
myself.
do
I
not
funds
have a
myself.
manager. You understand? Me make my pitney them. I can't make nice man them and them shut them door and the pay me no man. I'm go back on that them door. Them have to pull that. You understand me? People now gonna understand me. Them I go want to tell me say Queenie too loud. I'm gonna vex and ball. And them I say to them I'm a manager. I'm not for ball. Fuck that. Me no want no manager. Archie, me not say I'm ball for me now. You know.
You don't have to have a manager. All right, let me say something. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. You don't have to have a manager, but you have to have a friend. Let me say something to you. You see, when you have people that encourage you, that's very good. Let me show you a little something. With a song called Ben. All right. To have that, everybody know me a comedian and a spiritual man and all of them something there. All right. For them to like that song called Ben, me fi say, or me fi write song, that is why me can come and have this song. Nobody no write that song, give me. Well, I know Queenie. But Queenie.
I have the old school. Move your blood clot. That old school me have me no want a class.
But Queenie,
Where?
you have to listen.
Me have grade, me have the teacher, me have the principal. Me have the old blood clot school. Me no want no more class than what me have. Where? Move on a blood clot. I'm a turbanist, let me be with me. Talk RT, sorry. Bomber clot, but have more class. Move your blood clot. Talk RT. Sorry. So now RT this I say Adam. The life freeze. Go man. Oh no, come. Oh no, want change. But I'm not changing. But I better curry me dirty blood clot. My tired for telling them I'm not change. And RT, you on this encouragement argument. Yeah? RT, you on this encouragement argument. My reach which part me there by building myself. I'm in a business that nobody wants to say. And me make all of this possible because I never give up on myself. You understand me? Listen to fucking who? If me didn't listen to them, would they send out my pussy? When me send out my pussy, the whole of the shame my man disown me, you know. Remember that. Me never disown myself. I say, fuck that.
Queenie, let me finish your story, me I say. You know, no matter when me and the lady say, and me and the lady have a problem, you know, me can't say right now. Me so shame to say, me have a look at song where I was the place. And if anybody should say, then how you come about this? Me have to say, well, if I tell you the truth, me learn from the greatest, and that's the truth. So it is very good. Well, I know, it is very good. It is very good when you listen to people, darling, where know the game. Because when them know the game, you can one day say, you know, say, I've never had that person in my corner, it never works. So that's why I say you need to listen. Because I listen.
No, you listen to Gracie because you're around Gracie at the music. That's how you, me never around nobody at the music, RT. I'm a self, me listen to you, still cannot convince me, sir. RT, I wasn't on any. I did not choose to be an artist. I did not ask to be an artist. God put me to be an artist, RT. You and Gracie the day at rehearse. Are you around Gracie so you build up? Me not build up nothing as RT. Things just come to me and to me determined. And him say, Queen of Beer girl sending my pussy. And I say, send it girl what? RT, so you can't tell me now.
Yeah, but
So
Queenie,
no artist can't tell my blood clot.
Music is different. Music world is different from the comedian world. Music world is different from the social media world.
RT, I am an established artist. Are you ready to run Gracie Outland? You're not established like me in music.
No, I
so me
establish. All right, me establish in a obia. No, you can't bet with me. Me establish in a obia. Me establish in a obia.
Spice.
Sitya. Sitya. Look, Sitya. Broke people the past thing. Sitya, you see who come? Who much of them no go past thing and have this year? Come on, me have to talk. No, me have to talk about money. My talent is obvious. My talent is obvious.
So you learn from Spice. Which Spice? Why Spice teaching and make you the past thing? And me when I listen.
I don't.
Blood clot.
I don't want to be on Sting for the last. Listen, let me tell you why I don't want to be on Sting. Let me say something. The last time every day. Listen this people. Listen people. Listen why I'm in the on Sting. I do spiritual work and I calamity with the name Evie. Come to me and it was disrespectful in our farm where we speak on phone. I have to get into that. So there's a little personal issue why Sting and me not agree. I have to get into that. So for me, no one be on Sting. If when we want to know. But what I know, what I know, Queenie, let me tell the people, let me tell them, no.
I got to tell me, my mom, listen. Cause you learn by the greatest of things, Bang. Bang not hotter than double taps. RT, I want RT. Yeah, Undermind me and I like RT. No, can blood clot trick me, you know. I mean, my mother one daughter, uncle girl pity.
Queenie.
You undermine me. I tell me, say, you learn from the blood clot greatest, but you don't have a song with the girl in my run. Your song new. Double tap down
So, all right. So how you? We're not doing. We're Queenie. We're not.
Spice, so you just get banned.
All right. Listen. All right. Let me explain something to you. Let me explain something to you. Did you know that I have 5, 7 songs of my song that I play better in a dancehall than you? I have 5 songs. My song them I play everywhere around the world. White people them dance to my song them.
So you come tell me about you listen to the greatest. What the greatest? Artie, leave me. Now come leave me, Artie. Me know why you counsel me, Artie. Leave me alone. Me am a one big man. Me don't like it, Artie. Leave me alone. Me don't want you.
This is what music gives me.
You should have
just take a time.
It's song. Me have one man to me go to a sticker and give me last year, and that's another it song. Artie.
What you call it song? What you call it song?
Me never listen to no greatest artist around me. I have 2 hot blood clot it song. Chat to me. Leave me.
But me have 5. Me have. But Queenie, you have the disrespect to me, and me have all of my song them, my song video them. No, Queenie.
You think you can brainwash? What the fuck you come tell me about? You learn from the best and you listen to stats. Artie, leave me. Leave that fucking spice. No allow me to fuck. Are you undermine me and original me, not language? You think me a blood clot dance, my dark, but me an idiot. Artie, listen, you know, so me have 2 blood clot it song. So why you come here and reprimand me and tell me, Queenie, if you don't listen, listen to Artie. If you, me no want to reach no further, I was probably there. I me be myself, I listen to myself, I'm the past thing. Artie, I say me I disrespect you. You first I disrespect me. Indirectly. No. Yeah, use words and I put them in a manner. Me not dance Artie.
No, yeah, take it wrong, but me still not upset. Yeah, take it wrong, but me still not upset.
He's always a strong character, Artie. Don't try to undermine me.
I am not going to undermine you. Queenie, what's the purpose?
You listen to Grace so much in blood clot here. The all you want to beat a blood clot, Grace clot, Grace the hide from you. Me no want to listen to no blood clot body.
No, you're being disrespectful. No, you're being disrespectful.
Learn from your mistake.
No, you're being disrespectful. I mean, I love you.
Later, Artie. Artie, nobody make me your relationship. Because you're going to tell me this year. I'm going to think of you first at this man and side to my Artie. It's not for you to compare my career and tell me what I could change or what I not for the brother Mac. Yeah, man, fuck you, Artie. You're fucking rude. Me up on the land 50 at blood clot years without you. You come and dictate. Me no want nobody dictate to blood clots me. Listen to who? And then the artist build blood clot me. Me no live off of no artist inspiration. Me inspired by myself like you know what undermine blood clot. But me just tell you a while ago. Say enough man undermine me. And you try shut me down. I'm not think me an idiot. You try blood clot shut me down and you come back again and raise the issue. But Queenie, you must listen. Listen to who Artie. Me make sure patiently ask you. Me no have no behavior. Artie now come with a little speaker spoke blood clot foreign vice. I'm going like him want to blood clot me to my loud and vulgar. What the fuck you mean by my Felicity? You know so great me I do Artie. And 9 song me do for the ear. How much song you do you rude? Yeah, undermine me and that's like Artie and a friend me I send me a blood clot lion and think you can't trick me. I'm telling them many times.